Alright, so there's a bunch of things we gotta go over. I'm sure you're wondering a lot of things like, why does the background look different? Why am I wearing a beanie? Well, we're gonna get into all of that. But first, I should apologize because I haven't posted a dropless video. Like, I missed 2 weeks in a row. And, but I did post like, I think it was an unboxing video. But yeah, I mean, I just been busy. So my online homework started getting really crazy. I grinded out Destiny 2 because the expansion came out. So I just been like busy. And on top of that, when I was supposed to film the last dropless video, I had this weird urge to like rearrange my whole room. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. That's coming up right after this. And what's going on, everybody? Bro Kilar back in with Patch. In today's video, we're going to talk about the whole Hypebeast room, building a Hypebeast room. I'm pretty sure I titled this part 4, but I'm not really building anything. Before we get into that, why am I wearing a beanie? Well, quarantine has been long. I haven't gone to get a haircut in a long time, and instead of trying to like make it better, I just covered it. I'll probably like just cut it myself or something by the next video. Next, I've done 3 parts of the building a Hypebeast room, and that is part 1 was building this this big white shelf behind me over here. That was part 1. Part 2 was building this L-shaped shelf right here, and part 3 was like some other like accessory stuff. Like I think I hung up the Supreme deck that's over there. If you haven't seen those, go ahead and watch those. Those are on the channel. And so in this video, I decided like, I mean, I built all of this stuff on the channel, and because my desk was in this corner, I wasn't using it as a good, like I wasn't utilizing it as a background. So I decided to completely change my room. I moved my desk and my bed and all that stuff. So I used to film with that wall that's behind the camera now. That was the background. It had that big wave. So now the room is like flipped. Now the camera's here and I'm shooting toward the shelves that I built, and I moved my desk. So I'm going to be going over the difference in my room, and as well as showing you some cool accessories that maybe you haven't seen if you're new to the channel. So let's get into it. So I hope you can see me, and I don't know what to do about the mic, so I guess I'm just going to hold it. It's kind of weird, but it's alright. But just to show you this corner, this is where I do all my packaging and stuff when I sell things and I have to ship them out. I do all the packaging here, and I keep all of my mail time stuff and my unboxing stuff in this corner over here. Those are not things that need to be unboxed. I unboxed all of these. This is some Rejuvenator. That is a Supreme backpack, and this is the $650 laced up mystery box. All of those are already in videos. If you haven't seen those, go check those out. Oh, but these aren't for sale. This is just some place to keep my drop front shoe containers as well as my Yeezy boxes. I also made a video on the drop front shoe containers. You can watch that too. Alright, so let's move on to the shelf, the L-shaped shelf that I built. So first of all, the Supreme deck that I hung up, it's on this wall over here. I'm probably going to hang it up on this one, maybe. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to probably try to put it someplace so it's in the view of the camera. You might have noticed that the Supreme lantern, it was sitting on the ground. I plan to hang it underneath the shelf right here, but I still got to figure out how I want to hang that up. So I moved all of my personal things like picture frames. I have this box for my jewelry and stuff like that, and trophies, all that kind of stuff. It's all on this side now. I'm gonna move my medals on that side as well, so it's not in the view of the camera. And this is just gonna be like my accessory shelf to show off some of the things that I have. So let's talk about these. If you're new to the channel, you probably haven't seen most of these things. So over here in this corner, I've got the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs, which is the only normal size box that I have. That's why it's here. I actually have like 6 of them down here on the shelf. I've got a bunch of random Supreme stickers over here. The Gold Bear brick. I got this little plush thing from Bape. It's from my friend Trey when he went to California, I think. I've got this Supreme poster. You can't see it, but that's from my friend Bean. It's down here. I just don't know where to put it yet. It's a Supreme Undercover collab poster. I have this Supreme bottle here, the Bape lookbook from 2020. I also got the Supreme Hot Wheels, a big old stack of Supreme box logo stickers, 2 Supreme burner phones, red and black. Hold up. I got a hat on to show you that this is a different clip. This is being inserted into the regular video. So the Supreme burner phone that we just showed on the shelf, I'm going to be giving away this Supreme burner phone right here at 500 subs. I think we're at like 420 something right now, so we're getting pretty close. So just a heads up, once we hit 500 subs, I'm going to be running the giveaway on the Supreme burner phone. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you're watching the video so you know exactly when that's happening. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe so you can get up to 500 a lot faster. I wish everybody good luck. Hope we get to 500. I'll see you then. Let's get back to the video. 2 of the Supreme band-aids. I need 2 so it completes the word Supreme. Just like that. Another bear brick. And I have the 2 Supreme big books. Now I did a video where I showed off and I unboxed these 2 big books. And these covers that it comes with, they're actually Supreme posters on the inside. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to hang those up. So maybe I'll do that. I'm not sure yet. And this box thing right here, that the volume 2 of the big book just came in that. So yeah. So I guess kind of to just show off some of the stuff that I got over here on my white shelf, I got the Michael Jordan Funko Pop right here next to the Air Jordan 1 box. I got a whole plethora of Supreme bags here. There's all the Travis Scott cereal I talked about. Here is the stuff from my Gucci wallet. I don't know what to do with the dust bag, so it's just sitting here. There's a bait bag down there. I did the unboxing of that. You can go check out that video. And a whole bunch of shoe boxes. So that's pretty much the layout of my room. It's not finished yet. There's some other stuff I gotta do, like moving the desk, hanging up the lantern, things like that. But this is generally how it's gonna be. This is gonna be the background that I have. I'm gonna use this, you can't see it, but there's a little table right here. I'm gonna be using that. I probably wanna have my mic higher. I don't know how to do that though, but I'll probably try to figure that out. I'm not sure, and I probably got to do something about the lighting too. I'm trying my best here, but I'm really happy with how the background is gonna be, and I'm sorry for not being consistent with the posting. I'm gonna go back to doing dropless videos. I just really wanted to rearrange the room for some reason. That's all I have for the video. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.
The truth.